Hi there, it's Stuart here at Castlebank Horticultural Centre in Lanark. Today we are going to be sowing some peas. You can do this in a big pot or you can do it out in the garden. These are some peas that we're sowing early in the spring. As you can see, they've got lovely pods and you can cook these lightly, you can put them in stir fries, you can eat them raw, or you can wait until the peas themselves start to form inside the pods. So if you look at the plant itself, you can see that they're quite tall and they've got these are tendrils. This is what's holding the plant up and helping it climb. In this case we're just using some little bamboo sticks kind of in a lattice, and then the peas themselves are holding everything up. So I'm going to show you how to sow some of these in a kind of medium-sized pot that you can have in a small garden, on a balcony, wherever. Okay, so here we have kind of medium-sized pot. You want it to be reasonably deep. That's because the peas have quite a long, big tap root. I've just filled this up with some compost again. I'm going to put a little bit more in. So this is just a multi-purpose compost. Again, the pot has good drainage holes in the bottom. I'm going to give it a tap. There, and give it a water. Okay, so here I've got a packet of organic pea seeds. This is the variety Norley. Pea seeds just about that size there. So you don't want to plant these too shallow, but you don't want to plant them too deep either. So in this case, we're just going to place them about, let's say about 8 centimeters apart on the surface of the compost, like that. Put the spears back in there. I'm just going to gently push them in. With my finger, and then I'm going to add a little bit more. So I'm going to bury these with about a good 1 to 2 inches of extra compost on top, like that, and then just pat it down with my hand. Okay, so the thing that we need to do is give them something to climb up. This is a bit of fun. We've got some little twigs and branches that have blown off the trees round about during the spring. So we're just going to stick them in. And then once the peas germinate and start to come up, they've got something straight away to climb onto. Just like that, go crazy. Looks quite pretty as well. That's probably enough, might use this little one. So there you can see, looks a bit crazy. Give it another water. Make sure that the soil's firmed around the base of each of your supports, around these branches, and that can go outside.